Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakeasy Every Day. Have you ever wondered what happens inside your brain when you listen to English every single day? Maybe you don't understand every word, and maybe you sometimes feel like you're just listening without learning anything. But here's the interesting part. Your brain is actually working harder than you think. When you listen to English regularly, your brain starts recognizing sounds, words, sentence patterns, and even the rhythm of the language. At first, English may sound like one long stream of unfamiliar sounds, but with daily listening, something changes. Your brain slowly begins to separate those sounds into individual words and phrases. This is called pattern recognition. For example, after hearing the phrase, "How are you doing?" many times, you don't need to translate every word. Your brain starts recognizing the entire phrase automatically. And this is one of the biggest benefits of listening. You begin to understand English without translating everything into your native language. But there's another amazing thing happening. Your brain is building a connection between sound and meaning. When you hear a new word again and again, your brain gets more familiar with its pronunciation and context. You may not remember the word immediately, but after hearing it several times in different situations, it becomes easier to recognize. That's why listening every day is so powerful. You are giving your brain repeated exposure to English, and repetition helps make language patterns feel completely natural. Now here's something important. You don't have to understand 100% of what you hear. In fact, trying to understand every single word can make listening stressful. Instead, focus on the overall meaning. Listen for familiar words, notice the speaker's pronunciation, and pay attention to how sentences are connected. Over time, your brain becomes better at predicting what might come next. And this prediction is extremely useful when speaking English, because speaking is not only about knowing vocabulary, it is also about knowing what sounds natural. The more English you hear, the more examples your brain collects. You start noticing how fluent speakers form sentences. Eventually, some expressions begin to feel natural to you, without having to think about grammar rules every single time. Your brain simply recognizes the pattern. So, if you want to improve your English, try this simple habit. Listen to English for 15 to 30 minutes every day. You can listen to podcasts, watch English videos, listen to stories, or simply listen to everyday conversations. Choose something that is interesting to you. And remember, consistency is more important than perfection. You don't need to understand everything on day one. Just keep listening. Every time you listen, your brain gets another opportunity to process the language. And one day, you may suddenly notice something amazing. You are watching an English video, and instead of translating the sentences in your head, you simply understand them. That is the power of daily listening. So start today. Listen, repeat, notice, and keep going. Your brain is learning more than you realize. Thanks for watching Speakeasy Every Day.